Yeah, so this is EL4000. We have it in clear and black. This is the highest hardness of a Shore 90A. As you can see, it's much stiffer, but that gives you more flexibility to print finer parts to create the exact stiffness that you would like. And with its high tear resistance, this is where you're getting to the part where we can have a legitimate use for shoes, cushioning pads, and other stuff. This is a strong material. You can pull it, turn it, fold it. It's this is our top of the line elastomer that we have. And again, it's fast printing, low viscosity. And this is cured with just in your cure box. It doesn't need to be underwater. So it's easy to process, easy to clean, and easy to print.